Hey there! Ready to turn your predictions into profits? Check out this quick tutorial on placing trading bets at betpeakers.com. Unlock incredible earnings by predicting the future, whether Bitcoin skyrockets or takes a dip in the next 5 minutes. It's like trading long or short, but with a twist, a limited time frame and an astonishingly high multiplier of up to 500x. Let's dive into the process of placing bets. Navigate to the Bet menu. In this section, you'll find various BNB addresses. Each address serves as the recipient for different types of bets. For instance, if you want to bet on the Bitcoin value increasing in the next 5 minutes, like a long trade, simply send any amount of BNB to the address labeled long. Or, in other words, the green address. I picked the address for betting long on Bitcoin. So the value of Bitcoin being higher in 5 minutes compared to right now. This bet lasts exactly 5 minutes from when my transfer hits the blockchain. If my guess is right, I could make 500 times the percentage change in Bitcoin during these 5 minutes. For example, if Bitcoin goes up by just as little as 0.1%, I would make a massive profit of 50%. I will send now $50 worth of BNB via MetaMask to the address for that bet. So for Bitcoin long with a factor of 500x, the transaction is confirmed. And now the system of BetPeakers should pick it up very quickly. I'm now at the live bet menu where all bets are displayed in real time. There it is, the last bet is the one I did just sent. Now the big question will be, if the Bitcoin value will go in fact up in the next 5 minutes. BetPeakers will constantly update the calculation of my profit if my guess is right. 1 minute in, my bet would not be successful as of now. Two minutes in, my bet turned green, so I would have made a small profit. 3 minutes in, now it's a 6% profit. Nice. 2 more minutes to go. Last minute now, close to 8% profit. A few seconds left now. Super. In the last few seconds the Bitcoin value increased even more, leaving me with a close to 14% profit. So, as you have seen, it's extremely simple to place bets. And if you are good in predicting the Bitcoin value, you can cash in amazing profits. A last tip: subscribe to the BetPeakers Telegram channel and group. And enjoy live chat support directly from the BetPeakers team. And now, good luck and happy betting.